What if I told you NASA isn't just searching for life in space? It's also searching in the deepest ocean on Earth. A place so dark that sunlight has never reached it. A place where the pressure is powerful enough to crush almost anything in seconds. But hidden in this deadly abyss, scientists discovered something impossible: life. And that single discovery may hold the key to finding alien life beneath the frozen ocean of Jupiter's moon, Europa. So why is NASA spending billions exploring Earth's deepest ocean? And could this mission finally answer humanity's greatest question? Are we alone in the universe? Let's find out. Why is NASA exploring the deep ocean? Part 1. Imagine a place on Earth so extreme that sunlight has never reached it. A place where the pressure is so immense that an unprotected human would be crushed instantly. A place darker, colder, and more mysterious than almost anywhere else on our planet. Now imagine that NASA, the same agency that sent humans to the moon and robots to Mars, spending millions of dollars studying this underwater world. But why? What could the deepest parts of Earth's oceans possibly have to do with space? Exploration? The answer may change everything we know about life in the universe. Our story begins in the Mariana Trench, the deepest known location in Earth's oceans. Stretching nearly 11 kilometers below the surface, it is one of the most hostile environments on the planet. The pressure here is more than 1,000 times greater than what we experience at sea level. For decades, scientists believed that life could not survive under such extreme conditions. After all, there is no sunlight, temperatures hover near freezing, and the crushing pressure seems impossible for living organisms to endure. But in 1960, everything changed. When explorers descended into the depths of the Mariana Trench, they discovered something astonishing. Life. Creatures were thriving in an environment that scientists once thought was completely uninhabitable. Strange fish, tiny crustaceans, and microscopic organisms were living thousands of meters below the surface. This discovery forced scientists to ask a new question. If life can survive here, where else might it exist? NASA became especially interested in this mystery because the deep ocean shares many similarities with outer space. Just like astronauts, deep-sea explorers must rely on specialized suits and equipment to survive. Both environments are isolated, dangerous, and incredibly difficult to explore. In fact, NASA has spent decades using underwater habitats to train astronauts for future space missions. One of these facilities is Aquarius Reef Base, located beneath the ocean off the coast of Florida. Here, astronauts live underwater for days or even weeks at a time. The experience helps them prepare for the challenges of spacewalks and long-duration missions. But training astronauts is only part of the story. NASA also wants to understand how life survives in extreme environments. For years, scientists believed that all life depended on sunlight. Plants use sunlight to produce energy through photosynthesis, forming the foundation of Earth's food chain. Without sunlight, life should not exist, or so they thought. Deep beneath the ocean, scientists discovered hydrothermal vents. These are openings in the seafloor where superheated water rich in minerals erupts from Earth's interior. Some of these vents reach temperatures of over 400 degrees Celsius. Around these vents, entire ecosystems flourish. Instead of relying on sunlight, microorganisms use chemical reactions to create energy. This process is called chemosynthesis. These tiny organisms form the base of a food web that supports countless other creatures. For the first time, scientists realized that life does not necessarily require sunlight. It only needs water, energy, and the right chemical ingredients. And that discovery sparked a revolutionary idea. What if similar environments exist elsewhere in our solar system? What if alien life is hiding beneath the surface of another world? Just as life survives in the darkest depths of Earth's oceans, that question would lead NASA toward one of the most fascinating destinations in the solar system. A frozen moon orbiting the giant planet Jupiter, and its name is Europa. The Search for Alien Life Beneath Europa's Ice. Part 2. Europa may look like a frozen wasteland. Its surface temperature can drop to nearly -150 degrees Celsius. From a distance, it appears to be nothing more than a giant ball of ice. But beneath that icy shell, scientists believe something extraordinary may exist. A vast liquid ocean. Research suggests that Europa's hidden ocean could contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. This possibility first captured scientists' attention when spacecraft observations revealed huge plumes of water vapor erupting from Europa's surface. These massive geysers shoot water hundreds of kilometers into space. The evidence points to one remarkable conclusion. Beneath Europa's thick layer of ice lies an enormous ocean of liquid water. But water alone is not enough for life. Life also requires energy, and Europa may have that as well. Jupiter's immense gravity constantly pulls and stretches Europa. This process generates internal heat deep inside the moon. Scientists believe that this heat prevents the underground ocean from freezing solid. Even more exciting, Europa may contain hydrothermal vents on its seafloor, similar to the ones found in Earth's deepest oceans. If those vents exist, they could provide heat, minerals, and chemical energy. The same ingredients that support life around hydrothermal vents on Earth. In other words, Europa may possess everything necessary for simple forms of life to survive. This possibility is so important that NASA launched one of its most ambitious missions ever, the Europa Clipper mission. Launched in October 2024, the spacecraft is beginning a journey of billions of kilometers toward Jupiter. The mission will take years to complete. When Europa Clipper finally arrives, it will perform dozens of close flybys of Europa. Using advanced instruments, it will study the moon's ice shell, analyze its surface chemistry, and investigate the hidden ocean beneath. Scientists hope to determine whether Europa truly has the conditions required for life. But this mission is only the beginning. If Europa Clipper confirms promising results, NASA may one day send an even more advanced machine, a robotic explorer known as a Cryobot. Unlike traditional rovers, a Cryobot would land directly on Europa's icy surface. Using heat generated by a nuclear power source, it would slowly melt its way through kilometers of ice. Eventually, it could reach the hidden ocean below. For the first time in human history, a machine could explore an alien sea. Imagine a robotic submarine swimming through dark waters beneath Europa's frozen crust, searching for microbial life, collecting samples, and perhaps discovering evidence that life evolved independently somewhere beyond Earth. This is why NASA studies Earth's deepest oceans today. The Mariana Trench is more than just a remote part of our planet. It is a testing ground, a natural mirror that helps scientists understand how life survives under extreme conditions. Every discovery made in the deep sea brings one step closer to answering one of humanity's greatest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Perhaps somewhere beneath Europa's frozen surface, hidden beneath kilometers of ice and darkness, life has been waiting billions of years for us to find it. And if that day finally comes, it could become the most important scientific discovery in human history, because it would prove that Earth is not the only home of life in the cosmos. For centuries, humans looked to the stars, searching for life beyond Earth. But perhaps the biggest clue has been hidden beneath our own oceans all along. If life can survive in the crushing darkness of the Mariana Trench, then maybe it can also survive beneath Europa's frozen ocean. NASA's mission has only just begun, and the next discovery could completely change our understanding of life in the universe. So, do you think alien life already exists somewhere in our solar system? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible space, science, and mystery documentaries.